Hi, my name's Annabelle and I wanted to come up with an idea to have fun on National Patio Day and raise funds for Cancer Council. So I came up with the idea to create a giant tumbling tower and thought it would be interesting to create the blocks myself. So I came into Stratco for the project. I had a pretty low budget in mind, but one of the team members was really helpful. They showed me which timber would best suit what I was looking for and helped me with the measurements as well as cutting up the timber. And then proceeded to serve me and was really great and very helpful. So I grabbed my timber and took it along to the party. My friends and I absolutely loved it. We had a great time. Also a great cause to raise money for Cancer Council as well, and I'm sure we'll get plenty of use out of it in the future. So my idea for the giant tumbling tower turned out to be very cost effective. Stratco were very helpful and it was a great way to raise funds for National Patio Day and for Cancer.